Hey guys, and welcome to Witty Sensei, where you get to learn from the best from the sensei, but with a hint of a wit. Today we are going to talk about top 5 best experiences to forget 2020. Now backpackers love wandering no matter what. It is not a secret that we all miss traveling lately. Forget traveling, we could not even step out to get a breath last year. Please do not do this year too, wear your mask. The stay-at-home protocol was and is for our own good. However, since the restrictions have been toned down a bit, you can now travel to various places undertaking the precautions both across the country and overseas. This video talks about the best experiences from a traveler or the top 5 places across the world in exclusive category that will compel you to forget the grays and blues of 2020 and motivate you to get out of that couch and get going for a fresh head start to a new normal ahead. Number 1. Belmont Hotel Das Cataratas. Let us start with the forever refreshing grasslands first. How refreshing it is to watch the creation of the Almighty. Everybody loves to sit and spend time with nature. Belmont Hotel das Cataratas is one such place in Europe and the only property to be based in the Iguaçu National Park in Brazil. Surrounded by the lush greenery and magnificent waterfall that is on the list of the greatest in the world. Belmont Hotels have ensured that the name does justice to the property. Das Cataratas literally means of the waterfall in Portuguese. This place is an absolute getaway from your mundane reality. You will be baffled by the services and amenities they have offered. Besides, the guests could also enjoy a majestic helicopter ride over the falls and walk through the surrounding jungle post the park hours. You also get to enjoy dawn and calming dusk in the middle of the natural habitat. Relax yourself to a refreshing herbal spa or simply take a stroll in the woods. Your rejuvenation, your way. Number 2. Four Seasons Maldives. Beaches have always been in the preferences of every traveler. Who does not love waking up to the rustling waves and never-ending stretch of crystal blue waters? What a sight to behold! A fully equipped beach resort is a great escape and top recommendations from a frequent traveler to disconnect from the concrete jungle. And Four Seasons Luxury Resort in Maldives is one of them. A perfect place to spend an elongated vacation where you will take your newer self back home with infinity memories. The Four Seasons Maldives is based on the Landagaravaru Island of Maldives since 2004. This 5-star property has the best luxury spa on the island and offer a dynamic 2 miles of marine scenery around the resort. Wake up to a scenic sunrise with an ocean suit or plunge into an infinity pool that touches the ocean just about right. Treat yourself to the warm sandy beach stretch and enjoy the best of intercontinental cuisines with the best-in-class hospitality and services. Number 3. Grindelwald, Switzerland. If mountains are your great escape and chilly breezes with a hint of greenery and abundant snow are what you crave when you say vacation, Grindelwald has a beauty to die for. Based on the Jigsaw Heights of Swiss Alps, Grindelwald is one of a kind hill station near the Jungfrau region. As soon as the winter gets in the corner, this village and the mountain are beautifully surrounded by dense snow that will not want you to leave the place at all. The village has a systematic cable car service that will take you from noteworthy places like the Forst Mountain to the nearest hiking points. When you visit Grindelwald, you shall notice that it is majorly surrounded by several mountain ranges that are now turned into tourist attraction. You will come across many people skiing and snowboarding, with inexpensive restaurants and stays. You could easily accommodate yourself here for a week and enjoy various activities like the Grindelwald Canyon Walk, adventurous canyon swing, and hiking around alongside exciting stuff to do that make your adrenaline go a notch higher. Grindelwald is on the closest boundaries of Eiger, and Witterhorn is popularly known as the vibrant village of Eiger. Number 4. 5 Elements, Bali, Indonesia. A spa is the closest you could feel how it is to be in heaven. No, for real. Spa treatments have gained a lot of limelight lately. People opting out for organic treatments and natural healing processes for the body and mind have increased a lot. What's better than indulging yourself in a treatment that absolutely sends you to another dimension, leaving your mind and body feel refreshed and ready to go to the places? 5 Elements of Bali exactly know what it offers to its guests. 5 Elements Bali, based in Indonesia, have various treatments and spas that will assure your vacation to be a lifetime experience. Body care massages, intimate healing to water therapies, and some of them, which you might have never even heard of, are what they have offered to their guests. With a luxurious stay and lip-smacking healthy Indonesian and intercontinental food, the entire property is beautifully maintained and designed to calm the tourist, providing an escape from the daily blues. Number 5. Nemo Bay Wondernest Resort. Looking for something away from the usual hustle bustle? Something less fancy and not much into the public eye to have some tranquility all by yourself? Nemo Bay Wondernest Resort is something you must have not heard of, and that exactly is our point. This resort is based on Nemo Bay within the Great Bear Rainforest far away from the city chaos. This property has everything you need in arm-length access, although being in absolute remote woods. The resort has cabins based in the forest with Wi-Fi access, although you would not need it there, with an around-the-clock coffee facility, large living rooms, and mini bars all inside the cabins. Hiking and fishing equipment and a deck to watch the bay early morning or late evening are a truly perfect escape for a wanderer. This setup away from the ordinary is worth visiting. Its remoteness makes it a super exclusive pick and an extremely unique choice for a vacation of a week or 2 or as long as you wish. So that's it for today's video. To know more about best facts, tech, travel, business and food, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Witty Sensei and press the bell icon to never miss our video, because we have the information you want with a hint of a wit. And we shall see you in the next video again. Till then, sayonara.